Okay, we'll wait for a reporter to join us on this story, but I will share with you the initial details right now. The Parliament case accused are going to be attempting to raise their point of view before the court today. The Delhi police has conducted a psychoanalytic profiling of the accused. Now we're going to bring you more details of the profiling itself, but it suggests that their ideology and conclusions were based on social media knowledge. What that means, let's get a deeper look at it in just a second. Anshul, there are two different slices of information here. One is the psychoanalytic profiling, what that means, could you tell our audiences, and what emerged out of that profiling? That's question one. And then question two, could you tell us about what might take place in court today?
The Delhi police was actually trying to find out the exact reason why this decision was taken by these people to actually go inside the parliament and carry out this protest, because this was a very, very risky task and could have hampered their entire career. So yes, just to find out, since it is now believed that there is not a larger nexus that is involved in this entire matter. In fact, this is not a this is not that has been something that has been done by an organized group. But these people, what were the reasons behind which these people decided to carry out such a massive protest inside the parliament, and hence this psychoanalytic test was done. And in the psychoanalytic test, what the doctors have told the Delhi police, in fact the report that has been made, it actually says that most of the beliefs that these people have are derived from social media, and it has nothing to do with the real world. They were to indulge on social media and were getting to see those posts only through which they were actually able to derive conclusions that the government is actually not working for them. Also, the manner in which all of these youths were unemployed, most of them were actually educated youths, but still they were unemployed. And the conclusion that has come out is that these people actually did not want to do any sort of private job, as they thought that it is a job of the government to provide them with government jobs, and hence they refused to do any sort of private jobs as well, and that is the reason why they were unemployed for such a long time. Now, let's talk about what is supposed to happen in the court today. In fact, during the last hearing as well, when these accused were actually presented in front of the court, they actually wanted to make a statement in front of the judge without their lawyer, and that was something that was denied to them initially by the court. And they were asked that if at all they want they have a counsel, or should the court appoint them. Because their main focus is to make sure that the manner in which the entire incident where Bhagat Singh argued for himself inside the courtroom against the Britishers, that is something that was going on in their head, and they wanted to make a similar statement as well. And that is what is expected today as well, that once these accused are presented in front of the court today as well, because remember the 7-day police custody is going to end today, and hence the Delhi police is going to present them in front of the Patiala House Court later in the day as well. And today as well, it is expected that they will try to make a statement in front of the court, in front of the media, projecting their point of view and trying to propagate their message as well. Also, in the manner in which we saw that Lalit Shah, who actually fled from the spot, made those videos, and this person had sent videos to different people on his contact, asking them to actually go ahead and share this video and make sure that this video goes viral, because this was what they wanted. They wanted to make a statement. All these ideas,
Okay.
all the knowledge that they had.
Anshul, I do need to ask you to